Look at this cool candle holders, and then it puts out this light.
Nice.
Glass light.
Oh my god.
The wheel is turning, you can't slow it down. Do not use any of this stuff. And then this company that's been in business since the late 1800s, they moved and they purged all their stuff and they're always amazing parts.
They're all so good.
Isn't that crazy? I've never seen another one.
Oh right, that's so cute. And these, I love
I've
these.
never seen another one of these.
Oh no.
Isn't that crazy?
That's so good.
Yeah, that's more of the Helena Tynell stuff. This is one that's not Helena Tynell, but it's super cool. Looks like your hair. This is Lainey Scott's hair.
That's nice of you to say it that way.
Yeah. Look at how that it's like snake skin. Don't you think? Gosh, it's so great. Just imagine the shadows.
Oh.
Shadows and light. I'll have to show you these pictures. So I still have those. So cool. This guy's good. Isn't she cute? I know. I bought it for like $5. I like her. She's got other fantasy shit. Gosh, it's so great.